Imagine a world where your investment portfolio isn't just safe, but it's also diverse. Welcome to the realm of commodity trading and Forex. Here, diversification isn't just an option, it's a strategy. Navigating through the choppy waters of the Forex market can seem daunting, but with commodities you hold a lifeboat. From gold and silver to oil and gas, these tangible assets offer a hedge against the unpredictable currency market. Commodities, the unsung heroes of the trading world, are the robust pillars that support your portfolio when the currency market trembles. They are the silent guardians of your investment, shielding it from market volatility. So why not embrace the power of commodity trading? It's a chance to diversify, a chance to safeguard your future, because in the world of Forex, diversification isn't just smart, it's essential. Remember, a well-diversified portfolio is a resilient portfolio. Embrace the strength of commodities and welcome to a world of financial stability.